Electric boards seem to be super awesome way of transportation, and because it is not too mainstream and requires certain skill set, no one complains about them as much as about electric scooters. This is at the same time budget friendly and really good. NLS Pro, the latest and greatest from Meepo. Hey, welcome, it's the Tech for All channel, Michael speaking, and here's another cool piece of tech. Meepo as a company exists since 2017, and the fact that they continue to design and release new products means that they can improve, innovate, and are here to stay. This is the best Meepo board so far, and it is targeted at the mid-tier market. Hard to call it premium, but it is certainly far from being budget. It is the first Meepo with a way more reliable Hobbywing ESC, which is the board controlling the brushless motor, but let me keep things tidy and talk about things one by one. Hardware first, and will be followed by features and summary of the riding capabilities. Great box, really great, well packed, and it is a pleasure to take it out. Immediately you say, wow! Looking at the great 3 layers of bamboo and 2 layers of fiberglass, materials that give you awesome flexibility and are almost impossible to break. On top of it is the griptape, which is also shock absorbing. Small remark, and hopefully it affects less units. There might be small air bubbles, easy to fix, but shouldn't be there. It is equipped with the second generation of the Meepo shredders, made out of premium aluminum alloy. And you can equip the board with the designed by Meepo bushings, 83A, 90A and 96A, and all the 3 sets arrive with each Meepo board. Wheels have the size of hundreds mm. From all Chinese boards, the riding comfort with this one surpasses everything else by far. On the bottom you're gonna find the 2 enclosures, which are nicely positioned at both edges of the board. If you're not that much into electric boards and Meepo's design, they can trick you. The thing with the power icon is capable of measuring the battery status indication, and it is not the power on and off switch. That switch is here, just depress and in a moment the scooter is riding ready. Besides the board, there are some accessories included. The charger, reflective stickers, the remote, they're all packed into a nice carrying box. The board is powered by Samsung cells, and with a single charge you can enjoy a range of up to 20 miles. For a heavier guy, make it 16 to 17. 30% incline should not be a problem, essentially nothing can stop you. Top speed is up to 32 miles per hour, which I think is totally crazy. Helmet, any other kind of protective accessories, and you still may feel a little nervous about the top speed. But one thing is true for sure, it is really easy to get used to riding this one. And you may get creative once you start enjoying it. Oh, and once the battery is over, recharging takes only 2 hours. Speaking of battery, spares are available for purchase from Meepo's website, so are other accessories and spare parts. You can control the speed and acceleration from the remote, which has to be with you all the time, and that also is your brake. 3 speed modes: beginner, eco and expert. Riding experience is not simply above average, it is great indeed. I won't make any comparison to boosted models, cause it won't be too fair, but yeah, the board feels and performs in a very awesome way. Excellent battery, powerful motors, great ESC, fantastic responsiveness. It is not a push-to-start scooter, another advantage. If you shut the power off, it goes into like a blocking mode. A good idea, especially in case of an accident, the board not to go too far away and harm something or someone. The remote can easily switch directions through a press of a button, and of course you can't do that in motion. Everyone around me that tested it so far is pleased with the performance and the comfort, and since the review has been stretched in time, like 2 months, we have the chance to test it in different terrains and conditions. The Meepo NLS Pro delivers. One of the few electric vehicles that come quite close to the promised range values, and you can certainly notice the outstanding build quality and the really thoughtful design. At the moment of making the video, it is among the best mid-tier boards, and it is totally the best Chinese board made ever, and it can most certainly compete some more expensive ones. A device we can easily recommend and could be a great topic for discussion. Have you ever tried an electric board? Any preference? How about your thoughts in regard to this one? That's been it for this episode. You've been great audience and thank you for the honor to visit my channel. Make sure to support by liking, sharing, maybe using the links below because at no cost for you, they help the channel do better. Thank you again and see you soon.